Hey, we've got some new piglets on farm, so we're gonna bring you out to show you. Evie said she's got 4 now. So here's the little one right here out. So I'm gonna put her on. And look at that. Look at that little pig.
Dad, she's not like that.
She's fine. Look at that.
I love the red.
She's still in labor, so she's sitting here pushing out these babies. Oh, there's a wasp right on her. Oh. We'll just have to watch.
Where's the other one? Oh,
he's trying to find the milk, or he just wants to be by mama.
Good morning, I am Dustin Alleman. This is Alleman Family Homestead. And our hope for this channel is that you're able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, go ahead, hit subscribe below. Please drop a comment. Drop a comment below. It helps us with the algorithm. It helps us get out to more people. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, we've got some news. We've got some new piglets on farm, so we're gonna bring you out to show you what we got going on. She went into labor last night, and I got up at 1 a.m. and came out and checked on her, and she had 3. So she had 3 of them. She was doing her thing, laying there. They were milking on, they were sucking on her, milking on her, and then Nat went out when we woke up at 5-ish, and she checked on him, and there's still only 3. So little concern there. I know they're supposed to, I think, minimum of 6. So we need to look into that, but we're gonna go check on them. I'll give you a quick garden check. We did come in and ripped out all the pumpkins, and then we spread diatomaceous earth on the ground to hopefully get rid of all those squash bugs. I mean, we did a squash bug clean house a couple days ago. So that's what all that white powder is on the floor here, but you can see how much space we cleared up. Cleaned all these pumpkins, and we're just letting them orange up in our house. But what's great about this is we're gonna be able to plant some winter crops. So everything else is looking good. Turkeys are in here doing their thing. What do you have, 1 dead one today?
Yeah.
We only had 1 dead one. So these turkeys just continue to smash each other. It is so frustrating that they do this. I mean, by the time we're all said and done, we're gonna end up with like 40 turkeys, which is crazy. That is not an okay, what am I trying to say? Probability or what? 80 turkeys to 40 is not okay. 50% mortality rate is not okay. So if you're out there and you've got some advice, some tips for us, if there's any other way to avoid these turkeys from smashing each other. I mean, we've spread out lights, we've tried the flat plates, we've tried giving them more space. We're to the point where we're frustrated, but if you've got help or ideas, please drop those comments below. We'd love it. So yeah, like Nat was just saying, we've been raising turkeys for 6 years. This is our fifth or 6th year. And we've tried multiple things, giving them more space. I mean, it feels like it doesn't matter how much space we give them. They always tend to trample each other, and then they suffocate. It's the weirdest thing. So again, if you've got some feedback or some tips, please let us know. All right, Evie's out doing her birds. Let's go check on these baby piglets. Let's see what we've got going on.
There's 4 now. 4? Yeah, there's 4.
I want all 6 of them, Phil, please. Come on, pigs. Come on, pigs.
Come here, Izzy. You want to come see him?
Yeah, see those piggies? Come on, baby. Let's go.
Where's Henley?
He's going to.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Mama.
All right, so kids are all excited. Henley had to go in and go to the bathroom, so he ran in. He's coming out. I'm gonna bring AZ in here. Come here.
Is the fence on?
No, it's off. So we're gonna go see. Evie said she's got 4 now.
Sister, you want
So,
to come
oh,
in?
there is one right there. Okay, so here's the little one right here out. So I'm gonna put her on.
Just go real slow because she's.
And look at that.
She's not,
Look at that little pig.
not liking it.
Dad, she's not liking that.
She's fine. Look at
I
that.
love the red one.
They're so little. They're so cute. AZ, look how cute that is. Come here.
Oh, it says how it is tense.
Look at.
No.
Oh, no, I want to be by mommy. Oh, they're eating
I
away.
think that's a boy.
Oh, this guy's a boy.
Yeah.
She's still.
She's still in labor, so she's sitting here pushing out these babies. So she's,
Good.
yeah.
Good.
Oh, there's a wasp right on her. Oh.
Maybe push one out.
She just pushed one out?
Getting ready to.
I think she's having one right now. Yeah.
Tell us to take the cow.
Yep.
I wish we could see her back.
Oh. Yep, she's pushing out a baby right now. Should I pull these other ones out? Yeah. I
That one bothered her.
wish I could get in there. Yeah, you can see her tail's coming up. So she is having a baby right now. So she had 3. So at 1 a.m. I came out, she had 3. Nat came out at 5 a.m. There was still 3. So it's been a couple hours since then. And there's 4, and it looks like she's pushing out. Hey, it looks like she's pushing out a 5th, which is good. They are super cute. It's amazing.
She's gonna die when she sees
She is.
So you can see them. They're all. That one.
Look like
It's kind of weird though. One's like shaking its head. Yeah.
it might be sick. Maybe that's why she pushed it out. Oh my, there's a baby kitten. Oh, he's so cute.
Come here, girl.
That one's good.
So cute.
Yeah. Oh, this is soft.
Oh my gosh, they're cute.
I love that one. I didn't saw him when they named Shadow.
This doesn't seem right.
Maybe he's just rare.
Stopping again.
Where's the other one? Oh, the
Or he's trying to find the milk, or he just wants to be by mama.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey. Get up, get up.
Go, baby.
I love that one best, so I can fit it. Hi, buddy.
Dude, it's okay. Well, at least he knows how to walk.
She's not coming up. Oh, yeah.
Did you just bite me? That hurt.
All right. So, super exciting. We were definitely not planning on that. So she was obviously pregnant when we picked her up. We've had her for less than 2 months. And the cycle on pigs is, it's a 3-3-3. So 3 month, 3 week, 3 day is the cycle. I can't think of the word. And we've had her less than 2 months. So she was obviously pregnant before we got her. There's some pink pigs in there. So I don't think it was chorizo. And we swear she's older than 5 months. I mean, she's a big girl. I think chorizo is 5 months, but I don't think she is. I mean, I think she seems closer to 7 or 8 months, which is where you want them, right? To get pregnant. So it's a surprise. We're gonna have to, these are way earlier than we wanted. So it's August, mid to late August. Oh, that puts us, we usually raise hogs for, let me think, we usually pick them up in March when they're 2 months old, and we raise them to October. Come on, Annabelle, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, girl, let's go. So, what is that? 2 months, yeah, we usually raise them until they're about 8 months, 7 to 8 months old. They're gonna be 8 months in September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. So we either slaughter in April, May, or we might try to sell them. See if anybody else wants to pick them up at a 2-month-old pig. And again, I don't think they're wieners is the term. I need to get caught up on my pig terminology. I think I'm using wrong terminology for all of them. Boars, sows, I think glits or so. I'm calling them all the wrong names. I don't even think I'm supposed to call them hogs until they've done a certain something. So anyways, we don't get lost, caught up in all of that. We're just here trying to raise food, healthy food for our family. I'll figure out the vocabulary as it progresses. So we're gonna get Annabelle up. That was fun. Whole family was out there. We spent some time with those piggies and those little piglets there. Super, super cute. Day-old piglets. Very soft too, very soft. Which was surprising because pigs have that very coarse hair. They're not soft at all. So that was cool. We're gonna get Annabelle milked and we'll call it a day. Come on, Annabelle, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Come on, Annabelle, let's go.
It shouldn't be like that.
Let's go, let's go.
It should be like I get to feed my dog.
Let's go. All right, so super cool. We've got that one piglet that's shaking her head, or his head. We don't know if it's a boy or girl. I didn't check. And it says it's, I don't remember, some syndrome where they can't suckle. However, we got him on mama's teeth, so I got some colostrum, which is good. That's what you want. We'll just continue to monitor. Everything we read online said it should go away. It should subside. So we just have to watch and just make sure it's getting milk. And update on these girls, here in 2 days, we are triggering them. So we'll bring you along for that. 2 days from now, we'll get all the girls in. Cedar, all of them. I think we give them a shot. And a cedar, and then 10 days later, oh my gosh. 10 days later, we AI. So we're on that cycle again.
That should help grow. Got yogurt made, so.
Probably safe. You make cheese out of the old ones, or?
No.
Okay, we are gonna call it a day today. Eventful day for us on our farm. This guy, I need to learn how to castrate pigs. I need to do that here real soon. So more to come on that. We'll bring you along for that ride. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a gold nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, hit subscribe below. Bring those comments. Help us out on that algorithm. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Catch you next time.